I have a bag of dreadlocks in my handbag.
What are you doing? Why are you here?
It's a bit hot outside. Just reminiscent, having one last frothy with my friends. See you guys. It's been an emotional few years.
Are you feeling good?
Let's get this on.
Oh yeah.
Here we are. Uh-oh. Well, we've had a little balls up. We come to the barber, but he's closed. So we're just gonna have another cheeky frothy with my friends, and then we'll get into it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right on time.
Talk to me, Yash. How are you feeling?
Starting to feel a bit nervous. He's just got back to the barber shop. Just flipped that sign around to open.
The drink's almost gone.
Beer's gone.
All there is left to do now is to sit in the chair. Doom, doom, doom.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright. In you go.
Hey mate, how are you?
Good man, I've seen you. How short are you thinking?
I want to keep as much length on the top as I can.
Okay.
Thought, well, we're going to do it. I'm going to do it for charity, so wanted to raise $1,500 for Beyond Blue.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And yeah, we smashed that target 2 days ago, so I've just been delaying the inevitable. First one.
Oh, that's a thick thing. So funny.
Actually cuts.
Wow, there's bloody. Right, there bits of rope.
Hello, I'm Yoshi.
See you, mate.
He doesn't want to go.
This is where I start to look good.
If not, then
I'm gonna call you Slick.
I've got plenty of hair on there.
I thought it was gonna be really short myself.
Yeah,
I thought, okay.
I can see the look in your eyes too, and I'm like, no, just keep it. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, alright. Should keep you out of trouble.
Mate, that was amazing. That finishing move there.
Check this guy out.
Who is this?
Who is this dude? I don't know. I can't believe it. Look at your head. No regrets?
No regrets.
Happy to see him gone?
Yeah. It was good. Yeah, man. Yeah. But here I am, the new haircuts. So, I want to thank everyone that supported me in my decision to cut off the dreadlocks, and people that donated and helped contribute towards Beyond Blue. We reached the target of $1,500 in under 2 weeks, so pretty stoked with our efforts there. And yeah, just since then we've only received more donations, and we're up around the $2,000 mark now. So Good on ya. Thanks for all your help and donating and supporting this great cause. Get behind Herman's hands. They support the cause. They got some good threads as well, so get on board. Good on you guys. Thanks very much.